Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some Dollar Tree organization hacks that you can do in just a couple minutes. Literally, they are super simple and easy, but are very helpful and effective. So let's jump in.
If you're watching this, subscribe to make it with Mia for new videos very week. I love you. Mwah.
How fun was that video, you guys? I absolutely love it. More information is going to be on it later in this video, so make sure you stay watching so you can see how to get one of your own. But starting off into today's DIYs, I do have some rub-on transfers, and I also have there that vase, that glass vase from Dollar Tree. Of course, you can select where you would like to place down your rub-on transfer. I'm going to place it down in the center of my vase, and this one is going to come together super quick. This is literally all we're doing for this little organization hack, because this is a vase, but you don't have to use it as a vase. You can literally just use your imagination and your creativity and use it for whatever you would like, something a little bit more useful. And I'm going to use it to place down utensils in the kitchen, but as I said, you can use it for anything else that you would like around your home. So once I place the rub-on transfer down and I get it nice and stuck down there, you want to make sure you rub your fingers over that when it's off, so to make sure all of those edges are nice and laid flat. And if you want, you can add some more designs from the rub-on transfer, but I decided to leave mine as it is, to leave it looking nice and clean and sleek. And you can see just how pretty it turned out, and it just gives you that nice clean look to hold your utensils, and it really does fit with any of your aesthetics because it is really nice and neutral, which I love. So let me know what you think. And moving on to the next one, this one is super nice and handy as well, my friend. I'm just gonna take this pencil wire rack holder that you can get from Dollar Tree in their office section, and I really like it because it looks really nice with the rose gold. I'm just marking where I want these clear hooks to go. These are peel and stick from Dollar Tree as well. These are their smaller ones. They do have larger ones, but for this specific piece, the small ones work just fine. So I'm gonna place it right there where I made those marks, and we're gonna place that wire holder right on top of those hooks so it can be nice and hung onto the wall. And this is going to be a nice little piece to hold our brushes, hair brushes, because I don't know about you, but I really don't like how it looks just sitting on the dresser and just taking up space. I like my dresser to look, you know, clean and, you know, have enough space on it. So this on the side to place down your hair brushes is absolutely game changer, and I really do love it. You can see, and I'm not pressing that hook down all the way just yet because I'm just moving it around because I'm very picky and I want it super straight. So I'm making sure it's nice and straight. Then we'll place down those brushes, and you can see just how pretty and how easy this was to come together just using something from Dollar Tree's office section. And you can, you know, literally just upgrade anything in your home. You can even place this in the bathroom if you want to hold, you know, other stuff in the bathroom, and I love it. Moving along to the next DIY, I have here one of Dollar Tree's wooden signs with the hanger. These are super nice and sturdy. I'm gonna take it and give it a nice coat of this black paint all around. I want it nice and black because what I'm going to be placing on here is black, so I want everything to look nice and cohesive and as if it was already made like that. And you know, like if you could get it from the store. So I'm gonna paint it black and make sure I dry it really well. And once that is nicely painted, I am gonna go in with these wire baskets. These are also from their office section, and I do have two of them because I want to place them onto the sign, one at the very bottom and one at the top. And I'm just marking with this red paint marker so that way I can see exactly where I want to drill some holes, because I'm gonna be attaching them onto this sign, but I want it to be nice and sturdy, and I don't want to just add it using hot glue, because if you place stuff down in here, you want to make sure it's gonna hold up. So I am going to make 4 holes in total, and that's not including the 2 that's already at the top where we have to replace our hanger back on. But you can see I am drilling my holes now for those 2 organizer racks to go on. And I did first drill these 2 holes, but the holes were a bit small for the string, so I did end up changing the drill bits to a little bit bigger one, and I just re-drilled those holes and it fit perfectly because we want to put that string right through the holes of the wire rack and then put it through the sign as well and tie it off in the back. I am doing a double knot, and I'm also going to be adding some hot glue in just a moment to make sure everything is nice and sturdy. But you want to make sure you double knot it just so it can be, you know, it won't go through that hole that we drilled. And we are going to also double knot right here in the front, right inside of that basket as well. That's just going to make it really nice and strong. You can see here I'm now adding some hot glue right on top of that knot. And at the very end, I do go in with the same black paint that I used for the sign, and I did paint over that string that you can see in the front of the basket there, because I wanted everything to blend in really well, and you know, it looks really nicer to the eye when you look at it rather than having that brown string, you know, just pop out in your face out of nowhere. So I do paint that with some black, and it looks really nice and it gives it that finished look that it needs. So just so you know, to do that extra step, and I'm also taking my hot glue and adding it right behind that wire basket just to make it extra more sturdy if it's not already. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the second basket the same exact way that we did the first one. So same steps for everything, and then you have 2 of those baskets to organize anything of your liking. Literally anything around your home you can put down in here, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it's super nice, and it does look really nice and clean and high end, and as if you bought this straight out of the store, a home store. And I love it. We're just adding that hanger that came on the sign originally, and that is it, and I absolutely love it. I'm using it here to show you that you can place down your favorite spices down in the kitchen. You can obviously use it for that, to organize that, or you can use it for literally anything you would like. But I absolutely love it, and I think it's super cute, and it only took about $3.75 to make. And I love it because if you were to buy a spice rack from a store, it would be about, you know, $15 to $20 and up, which is not bad for the one we just made. Thank you so much to African Joy Flakes for partnering with me in today's video. In the video you seen at the very beginning of my video is the African Joy Flakes. This is their website, and you can see you can have so many different themes to choose from if you want a special video to give to someone. These are perfect for birthdays, holidays, for anniversaries, literally anything just to make someone smile and laugh. You can see the original price is $89, but you will get it on sale, and it will automatically be added to your account when you are checking out, when you are using my link. And the amazing thing is, my friend, is when you order these videos the money that you spend goes to children in hunger and to poverty, and it does help out the communities over there, and that is amazing. So do make sure you check them out and help them out with anything you can and brighten someone's day with one of these videos. You are sure to love it. With that being said, my friend, let's move on to the final little organization hack here. I have one of their ceramic vases. They have a ton of these out now, and they are new because I've never seen these before, and they are nicely finished inside, which is great. So I thought to make a little container or cup that you can place your toothbrushes down inside for the bathroom, and it turned out really nice and it's super easy to make once again. So I'm giving it a coat of this green paint because this is just a paint that I chose because I love the color green, but you can choose whatever color of your liking, or honestly you can just leave it in white. It does look really nice in white as well, but I'm gonna give it a nice coat of this paint and let it dry, and it does dry fairly quickly on this ceramic, so that is good. And my friend, happy first day of fall. I am super excited for fall season to be starting because fall is my favorite season. I just love it. Let me know what's your favorite season down below in the comments. I would love to know. But happy first day of fall, and I hope this season brings you many blessings and much joy, my friend. And since we're here right now at the end of the video, it is time for our secret word of the day, which today is going to be pumpkin spice. For the first day of the fall season, it fits perfect. So comment down pumpkin spice in the comment section below, and I will know that you made it this far into my video, and you are truly appreciated for that. So thank you so much, my friend, for all of your support and your continued love. I absolutely appreciate every single one of you and all of your comments and likes and all you do. So thank you. Now, once this vase is nice and dry, I do take a Q-tip. One end has some rubbing alcohol on it and the other is dry. So that way I can just rub off any imperfections that are around the inside, and it comes off really nice and easily, as you can see. Since the inside of it is nice and finished, it does have that glassy feel, so it does come off if you want to fix that inside. So I do that with this Q-tip, and then once that is done, I am gonna go in with a rub-on transfer from this sheet from Dollar Tree, and I do cut out two of them. I wasn't sure which one to add. Let me know which one would you have added. I did decide to go in with the much smaller one there. This is the eucalyptus, and then the other one is, I'm not sure what, but I did decide to go with this one. And all you have to do is just scratch it right on and peel the plastic up, and it should stick really nice for you. And once that's on there, that is it for this quick and easy organization hack, just using one of Dollar Tree ceramic vases for your bathroom to organize your toothbrushes. And it looks absolutely beautiful, just really nice and simple, and I love how it came out. You would have to let me know what you think. Of course, I would love to know, and do let me know which one was your favorite from today's organization hacks. And if you've enjoyed today's DIYs, do give this video a big thumbs up because it really does help out my channel, my friend. And do consider hitting that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my future videos, and you can be a part of my YouTube family. And also do consider sharing with your family and friends, and I really do appreciate it. So thank you so much for tuning in with me today, and I will see you all on the next one. Take care and God bless. Bye.